Hey guys, Jeff here. I've got a few cool projects coming up. I can't wait to tell you about them. Some really cool things coming up. My vibrators, the chassis, they were sent off to a good buddy of mine, Mark, who I consider to be one of the world's best, if not the world's best person to get these vibrators running. If you've seen any of his videos, the guy's absolutely amazing. He gets the things to scream. I sent him 4 of mine, and they came in a couple days ago. I just had a chance to unbox them. My biggest takeaway was AC current. I didn't know that they ran on AC current. I just didn't know. Pardon me. I've always tried to run them on the DC, and they've always kind of run doggedly. Mark was kind enough to give me the schematic here of how he does dual power pack and everything. And I had 2 power packs, but one of them ended up in the trash and didn't work, so I couldn't do the dual power pack. So I got just the one going there, and I found another controller, and I'm hoping, I'm praying it's going to work. I am so excited about this, guys. I got the AC current going to this piece of track, so let's just dive into it. Let me get the transformer. There we go. I've been so excited about this, guys. I can't wait to see him go. Okay, that's not, well, wait a sec. We have 1 and 2. Oh boy. Oh boy, look at that. Wow. Mark, you're amazing, my friend. Wow. I've never been able to race a vibrator before. Wow, that's incredible. That's absolutely incredible. I know he did the gel claws in the back. This one looks like it's got a new reed mechanism on top. Wow. Let's see how it does. It's so fast I could hardly keep up with my camera. Guys, I'm not even opening this up. I'm just barely hitting the juice. Look at the way it coasts. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Wow. This is one of the truck ones I gave him, and it's just, okay, I can't open that up all the way. That's fine though. That's running great. That's running absolutely wonderful. The thing about this one is I do not have a body for it. I've had that chassis for a bit and I don't have a body for it. I do this one here. Oh boy, that takes off. That just takes off. Wow. Wow. Mark, you're 4 for 4, sir. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. And he was kind enough to send me back the spare parts. The one, what is it, the coil mechanism with the better part of the chassis and everything apparently wasn't good enough for his standards, and he sent that back. All the original tires that are really, they're kind of hard, they're kind of brittle, but they still have some value. Like if, what I'll do is on a truck, I'll use the truck tires, even a little bit brittle, I'll use them on front. I do that quite a bit. So wow, let me go ahead and get the bodies on here and we'll see what they look like going around the track that way. All right, just a sec. Just got the semi-body on. Boy, look at that. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. Let me get the trailer on. Forgot the trailer. Good. Just got the trailer on there. Wow. I tell you what, if I open that up, the trailer is going to fall off. You know, it's just it's going to fall off. Let me do this. I like the way the trailer looks on there, but I love racing it like this now. Wow. You can actually race vibrators, guys. I am so impressed. I am so impressed. Let me get the other bodies on. Wow. Ooh, I just got the green jag on. Oh, God, that just flies around the track. I am barely hitting the juice, guys. I don't even have that opened up. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, good. Got the blue jack on, and it just takes off, guys. Wow. Fishtails around the turn, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Wow, absolutely running top notch. Top notch. Guys, I had no idea vibrators could run this well. I am very, very, very thankful and grateful. I met my buddy Mark. He is, again, one of the world's best, if not the world's best, at getting these old vibrators to run. Guys, absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. you can tune yours up and get them to run just like these. He's given us all the information. Again, he was kind enough to give me the schematics here. I know I put that in my video. And if you want to run that dual power pack and get some extra juice, absolutely wonderful. Go for it, guys. Go for it. Okay, good. Guys, take care. Have fun with the vibrators. See ya.